The Neuralta grain bag loader is designed to make bag install as easy as possible. In this video, we'll go through the process step by step. Using the hydraulic valve bank on the passenger side, extend the cylinder that allows the black tray to be pulled out behind the bagger and pull it out as far as it will go so that the bag box can be placed on it. Remove the wing plates and release the ends of the bag strap from each side of the metal pan. Now you're ready to lower the bag saddle. Place the bag box on the tray and open it. Lift the top of the bag onto the bag saddle, making sure the red mark that signifies center of the bag is in the middle. Lift the bag saddle so that it's even with the top of the tunnel and pull out the black guide arms on each side to push the bag even with the sides of the tunnel. Slide the bag onto the tunnel and use the hydraulics to pull the tray under the tunnel. Fold up the black guide arms and stow the bag saddle, locking it in place. Reinstall the wing plates and lift the pan so that the bar on the tray is roughly 1 inch from the bottom of the tunnel. Now you can cut the ties on the bag. Pull the bag strap over the bag and slide the pins in the ground pan back through the loops in the ends of the bag strap. In this video, the grain bagger is brand new, so the bag strap has never been installed. On first use, you'll have to clip each short strap to the corresponding hole on the front of the tunnel. For each bag after that, you'll only have to detach the two ends of the main strap. Making sure the strap is loose, pull the inside fold of the bag under the bag strap. Tighten the strap so that you can just fit 4 fingers under it, and pull the bag roughly 10 to 12 feet behind the tunnel, making sure it's even on both sides. Close the end of the bag by pinching it between two 2x4s. Screw them together and tuck the boards under the bag. The length of the boards will depend on the kind of extractor you use. For a 10-foot Neuralta extractor, use 8-foot boards. You'll want to check that the cylinder spacers are installed on the bagger lift cylinder so that you have proper ground clearance. When you lower the bagger, it should be roughly 2 inches off the ground. Now the bagger is ready for use. Make sure your tractor is in neutral and add brake pressure as soon as the bag fills enough to push the bagger forward. With 2 experienced people, installing a 10-foot by 300-foot bag can be done in under 10 minutes. For more information on bag installation, refer to your owner's manual.